Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, your only stop for amazing daily life tech problems and their amazing solutions. In this one we are going to be learning how you can enable the feature to upload custom files on ChatGPT. So originally ChatGPT does not offer any of such features, so we're going to be incorporating that by downloading an extension. So head over to a Chrome tab and simply paste in there ChatGPT file uploader extension. Press enter and the very first link is what we need. Click on that. Here you can see it is prompting us to install Chrome. I'm currently using Edge, so I'm going to be clicking on no thanks, and now we need to click on get. Just wait for a couple of moments and you can see it is asking us to add extension. Click on add extension. Now head back to your ChatGPT, just wait for a couple of moments and you can see our extension is added. So now if we head back to our ChatGPT and refresh, voila, you can see our upload file option is now being enabled in here. Click on upload file and just choose any file that you want to upload and click on open, and you can see all of these text is now being displayed in here. So I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new and found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like for more, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.